Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 161. If we start with this box, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got a 4 and 8 here, so this is our 9. 4 here, so 8, 4. For this top row now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 8. We've got a 1 covering both of these boxes, so our 1 has to be here. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. For this row now, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. For this box now, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 7. No help here, 3, 5, 7. 3 here, so 5, 7. For this column, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 covering these two boxes, so our 8 must be here. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 6. For this column now, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 5. For this box now, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. For this box, we're missing 2 and 6, and I don't see any help. So 2, 6, 2, 6. If we look at this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 8. No help here. 3, 4, 8. 3 and 4 here, so this is our 8. No help here, so 3, 4, and we can get rid of this 8. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. For this box now, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got a 3 here and a 6 here, so this is our 4. That 4 makes this our 3, 6, and that 3 makes this our 4. That 6 makes this our 2, 6. If we look at this bottom row now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7, 2. And with that 7, we can get rid of this 7. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 7. That 7 makes this our 5, 3. For this column now, we're missing a 2 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 7. For this row now, we're missing 3, 7, and 8. We've got 3 and 7 here, so this is our 8. 3 here, so 7, 3. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 8, 2. And to finish out this box, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1 and 5. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day. and I will see you back here again tomorrow for our next puzzle.